In this presentation, I'm going to go ahead and talk about a new different option. And that option name is going to be history. So we will go ahead and talk about and actually discuss about the history of our Google Ads. So basically the option you can see here is change history. And that's really not that big, but yes, very useful and yeah, very important option as well. As you can see, there are all the things which you have been done till yet. Oh, let's take the tour. Click one of the links in the campaign column to see details about changes to a specific campaign. Then we'll select the campaign, locate change in Ocean, select a change category and reset table. Alrighty, search campaign. Then we can simply go back, and these are all our campaigns and this is our all history. Now look at this. It says 40 changes, 40 plus account changes. Overall, all the changes has been done till yet in the account is 309 plus. Ad changes are 11 plus. Bid changes 4 plus. Budget changes was 9 plus. Access changes was 2 plus. Conversion changes was 3 plus. Keyword changes was 6 plus. And audience and so on. Right? But the main thing about the change history is are gonna be user date and time. Look at this. This is all the history which we have done till yet inside our that account. Now as you can see, this is the email address from which it has been keep on changing, from which we can make the changes. Now you can see it's February 24, 2021 and this is what I have done. Campaign changed. We have created a campaign, that's search campaign, we have changed that. We do have an option of undo. Suppose if we have made some changes and now I want to undo that option. So I'll hit on undo and it says undo the following changes. And you can say undo. You can make the changes. And you can also see so many things are done. Like some of the changes are also there which you cannot go ahead and undo them. Changes can't be undone. Just like campaign created, country added, which we cannot change that again. Right? Similarly, these are the changes which we cannot change again. But some of them are there which you can do undo. Now there is an email address through which all the things has been done. Now if you want to check through which email address it's gonna be changing, suppose this is the only single account but this is being accessed by many people, you know, like with your friend, maybe colleague, and maybe your client, maybe your boss, maybe your accountant. So many people are handling a single account. So what you can do is you can see the email address and you can make some, and you can check who made any changes, who made which change in your ad or campaign. Now how can you give the access? There's a question, how can you give the access? That's really simple, not a big deal. Though you can get an option from here as well, but as if now we are not getting that, so we'll simply go to tools and settings. There in the setup you can see access and security. Just hit on this. Inside the access and security you will see the option. This is one of my email, but suppose I wanna users, managers, security. Yeah, so we are in users. So if you hit on the plus sign, you will see the invite others to access our account. You can simply mention the email address over here and then you can give them option like do you want to give them the access only of the email or only of the billing or only to read or only to standard or the admin rights. Which right do you want to give to any of them? Suppose if I want to give the email only, these are the email. If you want to give the billing, these are the options to billing. If you want to give to read only, you can give the options to read only. If you want to give to standard, these are the standard rights. And if you give the admin rights, they are the all. That particular person will gonna have the all rights. It's up to you which right do you want to give, right? And then once you select that, then just say send invitation. That's it. Suppose if you want them to go for read only, go for standard. But suppose if you are handling your client's ad account, so make sure you should at least get a standard right, so that you can make some changes, because in the read-only billing email you won't get any kind of like permission to make some changes. Because from the standard rights, what you can do is you can go ahead and make some campaigns, ads, but not from any other. So make sure at least you should get a standard or directly admin right. What you can do is you can call up to your client and say, you know what, I would be needing your access. So do and guide your client towards this, and mention your email address over there, and make him comfortable to choose admin right, and send the invitation. Once you get the invitation, click on that and access the invitation, right? That's pretty simple. Similarly goes for you. If you want to send invitation to someone else, put the email address, choose which right you're gonna give, and then send invitation. This is what you can do. Or else what you can do is you can take the email address and password from the customer, and directly you can come here and get the access, right? So once you can send the invitation, and then you can go ahead and come here and you can make some changes. So if we go to change history, you can see the changes in the history through different email addresses, and this is how you can pass on the access. So this was all about your history, how to change your history. You can undo and you can make some changes. You can do some editing as well. And similarly goes for your access. You can give the access to your clients or maybe to your co-colleagues, up to you. Right? So that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next lecture, because that's not that much, but yeah, very important. I need to cover all the things. That's why I had to cover this video as well. So I'll see you in the next presentation with new topic.